Okay. So when you first enter the world, you will come across the house. There's a blackboard here that gives you a bit of an overview about what you're looking at. It says enter the gates and click on the non-player character to find out what to do next. So I'm going to walk through, and this is a non-player character. So when you click on the non-player character, he'll give you a bit of a story. If you want to listen to it, you press on this icon here and it'll read it for you using the immersive reader function. Otherwise, you can read it yourself, looking at the text that's in the booklet. So we're just waiting for the immersive reader to load. Okay. So if you press play.
Hello, welcome to Pig 1 House of Straw. Try the lever next to the front door to see the security system Pig 1 has at his home to protect himself from the wolf. When you go inside the house, another NPC will explain what the system and how it works.
Okay. So I've learnt that there's another non-player character that looks like this inside the house. And I'm going to try this lever to see what happens. Oh, and when I go inside the house, I can see that I've got some lights on. I can see my non-player character. And if you have a look, you can see the lights are controlled by the lever, that switch out there. So if I try this and look up, we have to see what happens. Okay, let's see what this man says. So Pig 1 has used a redstone light system as a security system to warn him the wolf is at the front door. When you move the lever up, the redstone dust turns on the digital system or circuit that turns on the redstone's lamps. Look up. Watch Mrs K tutorial to learn how to do this. After this, enter room 3 to get instructions on what you are building and how you are sharing this with Mrs K. Okay, so I'm going to try this one. And when I look up, you can see my lights turn off and on. And so that's what we're going to build. So let's go into room 3. You can see I've got a non-player character that I can talk to. Your challenge is to build Pig 1's house of straw with the redstone lamp circuits in it. You will need to follow Mrs K's instructional video on how to do this. Take photos of your system and the house and save these to your portfolio. You can export your portfolio at the end of the session and share this with Mrs K. The chest has the items you will need for your build. The board has the instructions again. Good luck. All right. And there's the instructions again. So in this chest, you can see I've got a portfolio, which I'm going to grab. I've got a camera. I've got hay. I've got redstone. I've got a redstone lamp. I've got the lever. And there's another board. Okay. So if you're in my world, you can grab these. If not, you can find them in your inventory, and that's what you're going to use in the next video to build